In QP 10.16, you have a point P, and you need to rotate it according to the instructions. For part A, P is rotate anti-clockwise about the origin through 1802Q. So, before you get the answer, you can draw a pictures about the graph and also the original point, so that you know what's going on with these questions. Original point P, -3, -5, so it should be here. I mean, the bottom left-hand corner. At least you know this. Now you are trying to rotate anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means you will rotate it according to this direction. One, but you need to rotate to 180 degrees, so you should get into this quadrant. In other words, your new point will be here. This is your Q. And at least you will know that all the coordinates here for Q must be positive. And also, according to the rule, you already know that when you are trying to find the rotation that is through 180 degree, the value of xy coordinate will not change. So, in other words, your Q will equals to 3, 5. As you see, all the coordinates are positive, and the xy coordinate, these 3 and 5, will not change the positions. For part B, draw the graph, and also draw back the position Q. Your point Q here is your original point this time, and then rotate about origin 4270 degree. So let's follow its instructions. Anti-clockwise means you are moving like this, 1, 2, okay? But you are turning about the 270 degrees, so it will be in quadrant 4, okay? It will be in quadrant 4. This is your new point out. And in this quadrant, you already know that the x-coordinate is positive and y-coordinate is negative. On the other hand, you are turning 270 degrees. So, for part B, your point arrow. Okay, let's check the things one by one. First, about the 3, 5. You will change the position because you already know that you are turning through 270 degrees. It is the rules. On the other hand, in this quadrant, the x-coordinate is positive and y-coordinate is negative. So your answer will be 5, -3. In practice 10.17, you will apply all the rules of transformation in these sessions to do this. This time you have 2 points PQ. P, you will rotate anti-clockwise by 180 degrees and get P1. Q, we flat about x-axis to Q1. So, draw a picture to organize the informations. First is about point P. Originally 4, 3 should be here. This is your P. And now, you need to anti-clockwise about it by 180 degrees. So, anti-clockwise 180 degrees. So, it will fall to here. That is your P1. And when you try to turn this by 180 degrees, you already know that's your P1. Just add the negative side to all the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So P1 will become -4, -3. It's easy. Next is Q1. You can draw the picture once more. Your Q, -2, 3, will be here. This is your Q. And then you are trying to reflect about x-axis, the horizontal axis, to Q1. So your Q1 should be here. And of course, you find out that the x coordinate no change, but y coordinate will have negative sign. So -2, -3. Okay, correct. It's because no space. -2, -3. Next is about concise. If you have a look on the examples, you get the meaning of concise. That means that the 2 points have the same x coordinate and y coordinate. So let's check about P1 translate to the right by 2 units to P2 and check the values of it. P1 originally is -4, -3 according to your answer in part A. So when you translate to the right by 2 units, P2 will becomes -4 plus 2. Because you translate to the right by 2 units, you will have a change in x coordinate, but y coordinate no change. So you will have -2, -3. And that is really the coordinate of Q1. So you already know that, okay, therefore P2 coincide with Q1.